How to import an audio file into Ocenaudio. First of all, open the Ocenaudio application on your computer and make sure it is running properly without any background issues. Next, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File menu. From the drop-down option, select Open to begin the import process. Now, a file browser window will appear. Here, navigate to the folder where your audio file is saved. You can choose from various formats such as MP3, WAV, FLAC, or OGG, since Ocenaudio supports a wide range of audio file types. After locating your file, click on it once to select it, and then press the Open button at the bottom right of the window. Your audio file will instantly load into Ocenaudio and appear on the editing timeline. Once the file is loaded, you can immediately start playing it using the playback controls, or begin editing using the built-in tools like trimming, effects, and analysis option. If you prefer, you can also import a file by simply dragging and dropping it from your file explorer directly into the Ocenaudio window. This is a quicker method if you already have the folder open. And that's it. Now you know how to import an audio file into Ocenaudio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.